Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Are you building a new PC or looking for a graphics card upgrade, but unsure if you need cutting-edge power or just basic display capabilities? Today, we're dissecting two very different NVIDIA GPUs, the MSI NVIDIA GeForce GT 1034 GD4 LPOC and the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056 GB OC edition. Which one is truly right for your computing needs and budget? This video will provide a definitive, fact-based, and unbiased comparison to help you make the best decision, saving you valuable time and research. By the end, you'll know exactly which graphics card deserves a spot in your system. Let's start with the most critical aspect, performance and architecture. The MSI GT 1030 is based on NVIDIA's older Pascal architecture, released in 2017. It features just 384 CUDA cores and, crucially, comes with 4 GB of DDR4 memory on a 64-bit interface. This means it's an entry-level card designed primarily for basic display output, smooth 4K video playback, and very light, older esports gaming titles at low settings. Trying to play modern AAA games on the GT 1030 will result in extremely low frame rates and a poor experience. In stark contrast, the ASUS RTX 3056 GB OC edition is built on NVIDIA's modern Ampere architecture. It boasts a significantly higher 2,304 CUDA cores and is equipped with 6 GB of much faster GDDR6 memory on a 96-bit interface. This makes it a mid-range gaming GPU, perfectly capable of delivering solid 1080p gaming performance at medium to high settings in many current AAA titles. The difference in raw processing power and memory bandwidth is colossal. If you're already leaning towards the ASUS RTX 3056 GB OC edition, you can find the latest deals and full specs via our link in the description. Next, let's talk about features and technologies. This is where the gap widens even further. The RTX 3050 leverages NVIDIA's cutting-edge RTX platform, which includes dedicated ray tracing cores. Ray tracing simulates realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, bringing a new level of visual fidelity to compatible games. It also features tensor cores, which power NVIDIA's deep learning supersampling, or DLSS. DLSS uses AI to upscale lower-resolution images to higher ones, providing a significant performance boost in games without a noticeable loss in visual quality. The GT 1030, being an older card, supports none of these advanced features. It's a simple, traditional GPU. Consider power consumption and cooling. The MSI GT 1030 has an extremely low thermal design power, or TDP, of only 20 to 30 watts. This is a major pro as it draws all its power directly from the PCIe slot, meaning no external power connector is needed. Many versions, including this MSI model, feature passive cooling, which means there's no fan, making it completely silent, ideal for home theater PCs or quiet office builds. The ASUS RTX 3056 GB OC edition has a TDP of 70 watts. While still efficient, it's higher than the GT 1030. However, like the GT 1030, the 70W TDP means the 6 GB variant of the RTX 3050 also does not require an external power connector, drawing all power directly from the PCIe slot. It uses an active cooling solution with dual fans, which are highly efficient and feature ASUS's 0 dB technology, meaning the fans will stop completely under light loads for silent operation. Find out more about how the MSI GT 1030 stacks up for yourself. Links are in the description. Finally, in terms of form factor and compatibility, the MSI GT 1030 often comes in a low-profile design, perfect for small form-factor PCs. The ASUS RTX 3056 GB OC edition is a more standard dual-slot card, fitting comfortably in most ATX and MATX cases. Both connect via a PCIe slot, compatible with modern motherboards. So, which graphics card should you choose? After a thorough breakdown, the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056 GB OC edition emerges as the overwhelming, undisputed champion for any form of modern gaming, content creation, or demanding PC tasks. Its vastly superior architecture, GDDR6 memory, and support for game-changing technologies like Ray Tracing and DLSS make it the clear winner for performance and future-proofing. However, if your absolute priority is silent operation, extremely low power consumption, and you only need basic display output for tasks like web browse, 4K video playback, or a home theater PC, then the MSI NVIDIA GeForce GT 1034 GD4 LPOC is an excellent cost-effective choice. It's not a gaming card, but it excels in its niche. Whether you're ready to game with the ASUS RTX 3056GB OC Edition or build a silent media center with the MSI GT 1030, you can find both products with their latest pricing and detailed specifications conveniently linked directly below in the description. If this in-depth, factual comparison helped you cut through the noise and make an informed decision, please hit that like button, leave a comment letting us know which GPU you're choosing, and subscribe to Pro Product Comparison for more unbiased reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.